Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 7.5mm screws, two 5mm screws, and loosen the two captive screws in the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape, and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove two 2mm screws, seven 3mm screws, four 4mm screws, and one 3mm screw from the motherboard. Remove the heatsink, and remove three 3mm screws from the stylus charger. Flip open the locking clip, and unplug the stylus charger from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip, and unplug the camera cable from the motherboard. Gently lift up to unplug the antenna cables from the Wi-Fi card. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clips, and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip, and unplug the world-facing camera cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palm rest cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speaker from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Using a 99% isopropyl alcohol solution, clean any old thermal paste off the motherboard and the heatsink. Replace the motherboard back into its port slots, and be sure to get any cables out from underneath. Plug the camera cable back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. Plug the world-facing camera cable back into the motherboard. Plug the palm rest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the speaker back into the motherboard. And plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Apply a small dab of thermal paste to the motherboard as shown. And replace the heatsink. Replace the two 2mm screws, the four 4mm screws, and the 7 3mm screws back into the motherboard. Replace the stylus charger, and replace the 3 3mm screws. Plug the stylus charger back into the motherboard. Plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. And gently push down to plug the antenna cables back into the Wi-Fi card. Replace the Wi-Fi card bracket, and replace the 1 3mm screw. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover, and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 7.5mm screws, the two 5mm screws, and tighten the two captive screws.